왜 몰라?
Hi everyone, my name is Rice if you're new here, and welcome back to my channel. Today, in light of BLACKPINK's new comeback, I'm going to be eating like Lisa from BLACKPINK for around 3 days or so. Without further ado, let's get started.
고기 맛있다. 됐어요?
So, on episode 8 of BLACKPINK House, I saw the members make this really delicious looking kimchi fried rice with pork belly, so I had to try it. I didn't have any kimchi at home, so I instead opted for the spicy truffle sauce. I also added some onions and mushrooms. You can honestly just add whatever leftover vegetables you might have lying around in your fridge. I also added fried egg on top, and it was honestly so good. I wasn't expecting it to taste as amazing as it did.
Chocolate mousse. My dad used to make it for me when I was young, and since then I really like chocolate mousse.
Hello! So I just finished work and now I'm on the hunt for a chocolate mousse. I'm home and I have my mousse. Okay, so it's pretty big, so I'm probably only gonna eat half of it, but it's really good, but it's kind of sweet. It's kind of funny, but I actually like to cut my pizza with scissors.
내게 한 가지 소원을 묻는다면 사랑이란 것.
So for dinner, I'm having pizza, Brussels sprouts. I forgot to take a video before I took a bite out, so.
멀리 날아가고 싶다. 가끔 모든 것 잡는 것처럼 느껴진 이 세상은 무지개 세계지만 나는 흙백 속에 살아가고 있다. 오직 한 가지만 추구해. 그렇지만 나는 어떡해. 이 노래가
Finished making breakfast. So I made some potatoes, some eggs, and a salad. I'm gonna try my best to eat slowly. I realize I eat pretty fast.
It's fine. You don't have to eat slowly.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
Big thank you to eotd for sending me some colored contacts to try. I have really horrible vision and I've been wearing contacts for over 10 years now. eotd has a really great selection of styles, so you guys should definitely go and check it out. This is what the contacts look like on. I feel like they look pretty subtle, pretty natural, so I'm pretty happy with the way they turned out. I'm also wearing clothes. I promise I'm not naked. Promise. We're going to head in the Clouds soon, so I'm pretty happy with the way that they kind of like look on my face. So when it comes to the ultimate comfort food, I had to have some spicy ramen. I also added some mushrooms and onions to the broth for flavor. Also, as well as added some random leafy greens I had in the fridge. I topped it all off with some cheese, and there you go, the ultimate comfort meal.
I'm so sick of you just playing games. I'm pretty sure I hate you. I'm pretty sure I love you. After all of this commotion and the bullshit that you did, cut my body into pieces and to throw me up.
So I've been walking for over 20 minutes now. I've reached the point of no return, and I'm starting to question my decision to walk because it's literally like over 30 degrees. It's probably like 90 degrees today, and I'm sweating. Can we just take a moment to just appreciate how beautiful the houses are in LA? There's so many like Spanish styled houses with like the tiled roofs. It's honestly just so like picturesque, even though it gets kind of hot sometimes.
I'm pretty sure I hate you. put it down, hit them, put up the fight.
So we all know that Lisa does an insane amount of dancing every day, but something really interesting I read was that she also tries to eat really slowly. I have a bad habit of eating really quickly. Sometimes when I go out with my family to eat, we'll finish within 30 minutes. I really tried my best to eat slower, but you know, old habits die hard. Tomatoes and avocado and stuff like that, but I didn't want it to get mushy. So somewhere in between my meetings, I finally had a couple of moments to make a quick brunch. I'm so glad I made the chickpea salad last night so I could eat something slightly more refreshing during lunch. I also made a pesto, egg, and avocado sandwich, which looks kind of suspicious but tasted really good. It's also nearing the end of cherry season, so I'm really glad I was able to find a box of cherries at my local Trader Joe's.
Oh, truffle chips. It's a truffle potato chips.
어젯밤에 내가 잘못했어. 이제 그만 나를 용서해줘. 앞으로 더 잘할게 라고 약속해 baby. 나는 어제 내가 잘못한 걸 눈에 뜨고 드디어 깨달았네 baby. 왜 넌 너만 보면
이거는 뉴욕 처음 갔었을 때 고깃집 가서 찍은 사진인데요.
So I've been trying to eat more plant-based meals. So for dinner I'm gonna be trying this Korean beef with bulgogi.
내 화를 너에게 푸는 내가 너무 싫었어. 이기적이야. 너도 힘들 텐데 계속 내 얘기만 하고 있어.